Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of solar energy and exploring why installing more solar panels can revolutionize your solar inverter system, and how you can use multiple arrays of these on a 20 kVA capacity solar panel inverter installation. Let's get started. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of power. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, which is then processed by a solar inverter to power your home. But did you know that having more solar panels can significantly enhance your system's efficiency? One of the biggest advantages of adding more solar panels is cost reduction. More panels mean more electricity generated, reducing your reliance on expensive grid power. Over time, this translates into substantial savings on your energy bills. With more solar panels, your system can handle a greater load. This means you can power more appliances and devices simultaneously without worrying about overloading your system. From running your air conditioner to charging your electric car, more panels give you the capacity to meet all your energy needs. Installing additional panels also helps distribute the energy load more evenly. This reduces the strain on each individual panel, leading to less wear and tear. As a result, your entire solar system lasts longer, providing you with sustainable energy for many years to come. Let's not forget the environmental impact. By increasing your solar capacity, you're reducing your carbon footprint. More solar panels mean less dependency on fossil fuels, contributing to a cleaner and greener planet. There are also financial incentives to consider. Many governments offer rebates and tax credits for installing solar panels. By maximizing your installation, you can take full advantage of these benefits, making your investment even more cost-effective. Since we installed additional panels, our energy bills have dropped significantly. We can run all our appliances without any issues, and our system is still going strong after several years. Now, once we are done, we can proceed to wiring and connecting the whole devices in the system design following the schematic diagram. Please see the schematic diagram for this connection in the link in the description below. You can send us also an email or chat us to get a copy of it. Our installation would have a good feels as something like this shown here. It will be nice and sleek looking. It will support to power almost all the loads in your home. And it can save you a lot of money. Better still, you can also opt for this installation too. It is better and has more load carrying capacity. This installation uses a lithium-ion battery. It is rated 17.5 kilowatt-hour. That is massive and can really power a lot of home appliances and still offer you enough backup time. Or just go low and use dry cell batteries instead. Either way, you are all right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, drop a comment below or reach out to us. See you in the next video.